Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device so fixes work. Clear at least 5 to 2 GB of storage and close all background apps. This prevents memory crashes. Once done, force stop the game and relaunch to test. Make sure your phone OS and game version match minimum requirements because mismatches cause instability. If automatic updates are off, update the game from the store. If update fails, keep reading for manual reinstall steps that resolve corrupted installs. Now you perform deeper fixes to remove corrupted files. Backup save files first, then clear cache and data from app settings to remove bad temporary files. If that doesn't help, uninstall the game, restart the device, and install a fresh copy to ensure a clean installation. Also inspect graphics settings, switch GPU render options, or enable compatibility mode if available, because rendering conflicts often crash the game. Once these steps are applied, test gameplay for stability and repeat steps if needed. To finish, you validate fixes by playing for 10 to 15 minutes and monitoring stability. Short tests miss repeating crashes. Make sure battery saver or thermal throttling is off, because reduced CPU/GPU performance can produce crashes during heavy scenes. If crashes continue, capture logs or note crash error codes and timestamps so you can search solutions or report the issue. One key tip: try running the game after reboot in airplane mode to rule out online sync or ad-related crashes before seeking advanced support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.